So, when you're getting started building a business or a service, one of the biggest things that we recommend doing is making sure you have a really strong email list built up. Why is this so important? Because email marketing builds relationships and trust and sales a lot stronger than any other platform does these days. And using social media to build your email list is a great way to make sure that you're getting new leads, aware of your brand, and aware that you exist, and then offering them something in order to get their email address to have that exchange with them to build your list. So when it comes time that your product or service is ready to launch, you can send them emails just in case those updates, if they're following you on social media, don't show up in their feed. At least you have their email address to directly email them. So how do you do this? Well, it's all about creating a lead magnet. So think about something that you can offer that's directly related to your product or service that you can make into a PDF ebook or a video you can send someone, something in exchange for their email address. One of the most common things to do this with is using a free MailChimp account. If you're just starting out, you can actually set up a free MailChimp account. They offer landing pages where you can collect email addresses in exchange for something like a free PDF download. So for example, at MeetEdgar, we're a software service that focuses on social media. So we could create an ebook, just a PDF download for people, all about some social media marketing tips, a calendar of posts that you could send out, or we have an ebook about our secret blogging formula, how we create content and how we structure our blog. So think about what that is for your business. If you're a fitness instructor, perhaps go out there and create something like a nutrition guide or a workout while you're traveling list or something like that you can go ahead and market on social media for people to download. If you own a restaurant, think about the things that you can go ahead and offer people in ways of, how to have a great night out or something on the town. Here's a PDF download. What is related to your guide? If you sell swimsuits, perhaps think of a way you could create a great travel guide on the best beaches to go to show off your cute new swimsuit. You see what I did there? So it doesn't have to be directly related to your product, but it's something that your ideal client is thinking about. With that swimsuit example, for example, someone buys a swimsuit because they're ready to go on vacation and they want to look great, right? So these things are really great lead magnets that your ideal audience is going to see on social media and say, ooh, I want to learn that. Yeah, of course, this sounds really valuable to me. I will then feel great about handing over my email address to you because I know I'm going to get that back, right? So you got to get that reciprocal thing going when you're asking people for their email address, when you're building your list up. You need to make sure that you're giving them something in return because people aren't going to give you their email address just willy-nilly, right? It's something that's really personal to people. It's where their mom emails them, their grandma emails them. If they trust you enough to show up with those friends and family, it's a pretty big deal. So you need to then respect that. So using social media in your pre-launch phase is what this series is all about, right? So what I want you to do next is think about your lead magnet. Brainstorm a few ideas of what your ideal audience wants to learn and what's related to your business so you can create this PDF and you can create this lead magnet, posting it out on social media to get that reciprocal email address from them, and they download the PDF. Once you're ready to launch, it's super exciting because then you have an email list already built up of people who are your ideal audience avatar and who are interested in your product or service, and you can continue the discussion, again, not being salesy, being conversational. So go ahead and brainstorm what your lead magnet is. Let me know in the video comments below what you're thinking. And if you want to use something like MeetEdgar in order to send this PDF update out, send your lead magnet out on an automated system, use the code EdgarSocial and you can get a free month. So let me know in the comments below or email support@meetedgar.com and I'll see you in the next session. Thanks, guys.